Ladies and gentlemen, give up all the love for Bono. Give it up.
Thank you, Quincy. I've come here tonight to pay respect to an administration and a president who has made history over the last year. As an Irishman, we have peace in Ireland that is unimaginable without Bill Clinton, Senator George Mitchell, Sandy Berger. So I pay respect to them. And globally, I pay respect to American people, Democrats and Republicans, who came together this year to establish a principle which has forever altered the relationship between the haves and the have-nothings on this planet. I don't know how many of you know that the United States has cancelled its debts owed by 36 of the poorest countries on earth. It's a big deal. Thank you. At a time of your prosperity, I'm thankful, and I ask you not to forget your roots, your humble origins. The scriptures call for this to be a year of jubilee, and this is my prayer. Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You got someone to blame. You say one love, one life, there's one need in the night. One love, you get to share it. It leaves you, darling, if you don't care for it. Did I disappoint you? Leave a bad taste in your mouth? You act like you never had love. You want me to go without? Is it too late tonight to drag the past out into the light? We're one, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other, carry each other one. Have you come here for forgiveness? Have you come to raise the dead? Have you come here to play Jesus?